Hi everyone, Heather here from Felt Mercantile, and we are back for day 19 of our DIY Advent Calendar series. If you haven't been following along so far, be sure to check out the playlist that I will link above. And today we're going to be doing a super easy project. I was at Michael's, which is my local craft store here in Canada, and I found these clear balls. I'm sure you guys have seen these elsewhere as well. They sell them at Walmart. If you can hear my cat, I apologize. She is chasing something imaginary. But these guys, today's tutorial is just going to show you how to fill these up with felt craft, just kind of different ideas that you can use to fill these balls. So I will show you what materials you'll be needing for today. So obviously these clear balls here, the ones that you can just remove the top out of, and fill them, and then as many as you'll be using for your tree. They usually come in a pack anyways, and then you'll be needing some red felt, some white felt, any little bits or bobs of roving, different colors. I use some green felt for this project as well, and any scraps that you have. If you've been following along with the series, I'm sure you have some felt scraps you can use for this project. I just used red, green, and white and these roving colors, but really you can use any colors you want. I'm just giving you an idea of different techniques you can use to fill up these little balls. So let's get started. The very first one I did was I took a whole bunch of felt strips and I just cut them into little felt confetti. Quite an easy job, especially if you've got a rotary cutter, but actually, a rotary is very quick to use, but you can just use scissors if you don't have the rotary blade, and a mat. And then these are just easy to fill up. You can fill them as much or as little as you want. I've seen some projects that these balls are just filled half full, and I think that looks quite nice. But I'm just going to put a little bit more in mine. And for this one, I used less white because I just wanted the green and the red to be dominant. Give it a little shake. The more you put in there, the less mobile it is. So just get it looking the way you want. I think my cat is destroying my house if you heard that huge bang. And then when we're done filling this up, we can just put the top back in. And that is style one of our little balls. Ooh. Okay, that now belongs to the floor and not this bottle. So just shove that back in. And there we go, number one. So for number two, we are going to take different colors of felt, just any little pieces that you have lying around of roving, and I just want to stuff them in the bottle. They look nice. Depending on what colors you want to use, you can use one color, two colors, however many colors you want. If you've seen my previous garland video with the tie garland, you will know by now that I am definitely into more unconventional Christmas colors on my tree. I like to mix it up, kind of like a anthro-inspired garland, I would assume. So once we've done stuffing that, I think it's a really cute effect. You can always take a pokey stick too and work that around, just so your ball is full the way that you like. And that is style two. So I'm going to get set up for style three. It is actually going to use our felting needle and the foam block. So for this, we are going to use different just chunks of our roving. I've used a couple different colors. I'd like these colors for this project here, but just tie her in a knot, and that's a good way to start a ball. And then you're just going to want to go ahead and needle felt that. Remember that if you haven't been needle felting for a while now, it might be a good idea to wear finger thimbles It's actually probably a good idea to do that anyways, but I am feeling lucky today, so I'm just gonna go for it and hope I don't stab myself. And we're just gonna make really loose balls. You know, you could always just buy pom-poms if you wanted this effect as well, but I mean, I am a felt channel, so I thought I better use felt for my pieces. So you're just gonna make a bunch of these balls. I've made some up ahead of time. And take our third piece here and you just stuff those in. And that is pretty much it for style 3. I made a couple more greens because I wanted that color to be more prominent. You can put them in any way you like, give it a little shake. But this here is style 3. So for style number 4, I'm just going to be taking, I like the blue and the green for this of the wool roving. Just take it and we're just going to be pulling it apart and mixing it together, but not too much. We're just trying to get that marbled effect there. Keep pulling that apart and then stuff that in our bottle. Pokey stick comes in handy for this. And you can move it around inside, kind of get the effect you're looking for. And that is style number 4. And then for number 5, our last one that we are going to be doing, I just cut out red and white strips of felt. And we're just going to be putting those inside. Just 5 different ways you can take stuff that you've already got lying around the house. And you know, whether this is your style or not, it's an option. It's somebody's style. It's my style, maybe it's yours as well. So you might as well put it out there in the land of the internet and let you guys decide whether it's useful for you or not. But I think these are really cute. And just 5 quick ways to make decorations and give it a little stir. Kind of spread it out in there. And there you go. So that's 5 different styles of these little balls. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to do that so you don't miss out on any of the videos we'll be posting in December or onwards. And definitely hit the alert button so you stay up to date on all that we are posting. So that is it for today, guys. If you have any ideas for future videos, leave it in the comments below. Join us on our social channels, and it was another lovely project with you. We will see you back here tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.